Hi, today I'm going to show you a couple things how we can get water through the tote system here for our recycled water. This is the sump pump. This is a 1/4 horsepower that can be purchased at our local hardware stores. The garden hose attaches right here. And this is a low pressure, high volume pump. This one here is a water booster pump. This is a 1 horsepower. This is a high pressure, low volume pump. It has an inlet and an outlet. This is the priming port, and so you'll add water to this chamber before you start the pump. So on this particular pump, we want to be mindful of electricity and water. They don't mix, so we want to be really careful when you're doing it. We're going to show you some fittings that we're going to use today. It's a very simple setup. All these can be purchased at the local hardware store. There's a barbed fitting, a barbed by thread fitting, 1 inch. There's some 7/8 disposal hose is what I used. It works fine. A nipple, a threaded elbow, 1 inch, and then this adapter from 1 inch to garden hose thread. On this here, we're going to just apply some Teflon tape to the fitting. We're going to put it in the intake right here and thread that in. We're going to take our radiator hose, slip it up over the top, and attach it right here at this fitting right here, where it's nice and tight because it has to be airtight for it to work. For this fitting here on the outlet, we're going to put some Teflon tape on both sides. We're going to screw that in there. We're going to put some more Teflon tape on this part and apply it, screw this in here, so it's going to look like that. Then we're going to take this fitting, put Teflon tape on it, and screw that in here. And the reason I went to all this is so if I didn't do this, your hose would want to kink, and that's going to be difficult for it to flow. So with this situation, you're going to attach your garden hose here, and it's going to be easy to use. Fittings on the pump, and so now we're going to just fill it full of water and prime it. And that's all it takes right there. So now we got the pump primed. We're going to take the lid off the tote. We're going to take our suction hose, put it down inside here to the bottom of the tote. We're going to attach our garden hose. So our tote is full, our pump is full. We're ready to go. So we're going to plug this in. Use a good heavy-duty extension cord. Follow the instructions on the pump, and then we're going to just turn it on. So it's on.